guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Alipearl. This is everything that I got in the packaging. You do get some really cute accessories as well as your wig, of course, and then some little things that you will need to actually install your unit. So this unit is actually really different and cute. It is a pre-styled unit. It does come with little sticky tabs for the sides of the wig because it really is like a glueless, but you might have some lifting on the sides, so the wig does come with sticky tabs. Now this is the actual wig here. It is so cute. It has a nice little braided detail, half up half down going on. Very cute. The wig is full and thick all the way down to the ends, so really love that. And this wig is pre-everything, so pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. It's just ready to wear. So of course I'm starting off by showing you how it looks on my head without me doing anything at all to it. Now I have a larger head and the wig still fit me amazingly, which was shocking, but it fit very nice. And it's glueless. Like, this wig was so easy. I couldn't believe it, honestly. Like, this is something that you would definitely want to get done from a hairstylist, like this style and everything, if you're someone like me that is just not the best with wigs. But this wig comes just ready for you to put on, and it's glueless. I literally this is how it looks with me doing absolutely nothing to it. Now I am adding makeup, of course, just so it matches my skin tone a little bit better. But honestly, the blend was amazing before I even did that. So, yeah, I have a larger head and it fit my head really nicely, very well. So all around, this wig was absolutely amazing. I never thought that I would get a style like this with a wig because it's just not something that I can do myself. But the only thing that I did to this unit was add a little bit of like lace spray on the sides where my hands just were, just because you do have a little bit of lifting there. And then I cut my ear tabs out, of course. But other than that, you definitely do not have to do anything at all. Like, this wig is ready to go and it's super nice, very full all the way down to the ends. I didn't have an issue with this unit whatsoever. Fit amazing, style amazing, just something very different. Like, the things that they are coming out with to make wigs and wig wearing easier is just crazy. Like, from the beginning when everybody started wearing wigs to now, like, who would have thought that this is where we would be? It is so easy to style and wear this unit. Like, I never would have even thought. But it comes with baby hairs too, so what I'm brushing now really was already styled for me. I'm just, kind of laying it down myself. But definitely, if you are not a person that is that good at doing your hair, try this out. Even if you are a person that is good at doing your hair, this wig was amazing and fit so well. So the links are in the description box below. Please be sure to check them out. Like this video if you like it, of course, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see y'all in the next one.
Why you never I don't trust nobody.